using paint. You will learn. Student will be able to start MS Paint on the computer. Draw a straight line and curved line. Draw circle and square. Type and format the text. Fill a color in the object. Erase and clear the image. You can use paint to create edit and view pictures. You can paste a paint picture into another document you have created or use it as your desktop background. You can even use paint to view and edit scanned photos. Steps to start Paint program. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Click on All Programs option in the Start menu. Click Accessories folder in the sub-menu and then click on Paint. To draw, click on the Start button in the taskbar and type Paint in the search box. Click on Paint in the options listed in the search result. Paint window will open on the screen of the monitor. Parts of the Paint window. The screen of Paint you see on the computer is divided into the following parts. Title bar. This is blue bar at the top of the screen. It displays the name of the program and the name of file. Quick Access toolbar. It contains the buttons to do common tasks. Paint button. It contains many options to work in Paint. Ribbon. The ribbon consists of two parts, tabs and groups. Tab. A tab contains various tools in groups. Group. A group is a set of related commands. Drawing area. The drawing area is the main part of Paint in which you can draw your colorful drawings. Using Tools group. Tools group has many tools for doing different work. These tools help in making drawings. To make use of a tool, click the mouse on that tool. The tool will be selected. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold the left button of mouse. When the drawing is completed, release the mouse button. Creating a shape. Drawing lines and curves. You can use several different tools to draw in paint. The tool you use and the options you select determine how the line appears in your drawing. The following tools can be used to draw lines in paint. Pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw thin, free-form lines or curves. Select the pencil tool from the Tools group. Select any color from Colors group. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw. Using Line tool. The Line tool is used to draw a straight line. Select the Line tool from the Tools group. Select any color from Colors group. Select the thickness for the line. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw. Using Curve tool. The Curve tool is used to draw a smooth or curved line. Select the Curve tool from the Tools group. Select any color from Colors group. Select the thickness for the curve. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw a line. Move the pointer on the line where you want to add a curve. Click and drag the mouse to draw a curve. Drawing different shapes. You can use various tools in paint to add different shapes in your drawing. There are a number of shapes available like rectangle, triangle, oval, star, etc. to choose from. Using oval shape. Oval tool is used to draw different shapes like circle, oval, ellipse, etc. Select the oval tool from the Shapes group. Select the thickness of the line by clicking on the Size button. Select the color of your choice from the Colors group. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and drag it to draw the oval shape. Now click on Fill with Color tool from the Tools group. Select color of your choice and fill the shape. Using rectangle shape. Rectangle tool is used to draw different shapes like rectangle, square, etc. Select the rectangle tool from the Shapes group. Select the thickness of the line by clicking on the Size button. Select the color of your choice from the Colors group. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and drag it to draw the rectangle shape. Now click on Fill with Color tool from the Tools group. Select color of your choice and fill the shape. Using Text tool. You can also add text to your picture. The Text tool lets you add a simple message or title. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click the Text tool. Drag the pointer in the drawing area where you want to add text. Under Text Tools, on the Text tab, click the font face, size, and style in the font group. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and then click a color. This is the text color. Type the text that you want to add. Fill with color. Use the Fill with Color tool to fill the entire picture or the closed shape with color. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click Fill with Color. In the Colors group, click Color 1, click a color, and then click inside the area to fill it. Erase part of your picture. If you make a mistake or need to change part of a picture, use the eraser. By default, the eraser changes any area you erase to white. But you can change the eraser color. For example, if you set the background color to yellow, anything you erase turns to yellow. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click the Eraser tool. In the Colors group, click Color 2 and then click the color that you want to erase with. If you want to erase with white, you don't have to select a color. Drag the pointer over the area you want to erase. Saving a file. After making your drawing in Paint, you can save it on your computer and open it later. Draw your drawing in Paint. Click on Paint button and then click Save option. The Save As dialog box, a small window, appears on the screen. In the File Name box, type a name for your work. Click the Save button. Your drawing will be saved in the computer. You can regularly save the progress of your drawings by simply clicking on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Opening an existing file. You can open your saved drawing anytime. Open Paint. Click on the Paint button and then click the Open option. The Open dialog box, small window, appears on the screen. Select the picture you want to open in Paint. Click it and then click Open. You will see that your drawing has opened on the screen. Closing Paint program. Children, when you have finished your work, you will have to close the Paint program. If you have opened any existing file and made any changes, then you have to first save the file so that your work may be saved on the computer for future use. Click on Paint button and then click the Exit option. If you have not saved your work, Paint program will confirm whether you want to save changed. Click Save button.